My name is Roxanne Reynolds-Lair, and I'm the CIO at the Fashion Institute of Design and Merchandising. I started at the Fashion Institute with an IBM System 32, and there was one data entry person. We've evolved from there to an IBM System 34, 38, AS400, I-Series, IBM System I, and then IBM I on Power. Our staff has grown from that one data entry person to a team of 65 very talented people that do development, operations, tech support, e-learning, and business intelligence. The Fashion Institute was founded several years ago by Tony Ann Hoberg, who had a vision of providing a college environment that was closely tied to industry. And the industry advisors would tell us what they needed in a student that would come out of our college. It wasn't a curriculum in a vacuum. Since then, it's built upon just 30 students in LA to now more than 8,000 students at 4 campuses based in California. We have majors in fashion design, interior design, merchandise marketing, graphic design, apparel manufacturing, visual presentation, footwear design, and jewelry design, and a recent new major in digital media. IT supports the college with all of the academic and administrative technology needs. We provide lab equipment in all the computer labs, the printers, the e-learning technology, and all the development for the programs on the student portal, as well as all of the student services that are required to allow one of our students to have the true experience at the Fashion Institute of Design and Merchandising. I'm a strong believer in the IBM I platform, and I have been for many years. I've volunteered and gotten into leadership roles and in supporting the I community through Common. I've been a member of that for many years, have volunteered. I was on the board for 6 years and served as Executive Vice President and Director of Requirements and Strategy and several other positions. Right now, I'm serving again on the Common America's Advisory Council, which is really critical to our community. One of the ways that we can lead is to do a calculated risk and take advantage of technology ideas or imagination that's not quite there yet, but someone has an idea and it looks good that it will work for the business. Many people are scared to do that. Sometimes it's the right thing to do is to go forward with that risk. And one of the areas where we've done that is with a new project called the Smart Eye. This is a solution on business intelligence. Companies today desperately need information at their fingertips in order to make strategic decisions. But in many cases, the business intelligence solution is disconnected, and someone has to know how to fit together the parts. It may not be as reliable because of all those different parts. Ideally, if you could have one integrated solution that allowed you accurate, reliable, easy to use ways to get at that information that were flexible and allowed you to make decisions about the business easily to change quickly. Because in the world that we're in, it's a very dynamic world and it changes on a dime. We have to be able to respond to that. I think that the Smart Eye offers us that potential. And when Pete Elliott from Key Information Systems came to me with that idea, it intrigued me. We were in the process of a current business intelligence solution that was okay, but it had some issues and the vendor was going in a different direction. This one, like IP telephony, was on the eye, leveraged the skill set that we had, was going to take advantage of DB2 Web Query, which was one of those pieces of software that was kind of under the radar, that people weren't really aware of but had huge potential. Pete put together a team working with IBM and Systech and Talend to create a solution where FIDM would be the first customer to try it, but we would collaborate together on what kind of solution would work for the I community at large. We're close to having that solution go live. There were some challenges along the way, but anytime you do something new, you're going to have challenges. Working with this team made it all worthwhile because the team was so committed and believed so much in the solution that it was a pleasure to work through those difficulties to the end result, which we do believe is going to be a great solution for the Fashion Institute and for the I community.